Captain Nicholas Bell of the USS Misfortune.
Are we gonna clear the trailer?
I'm gonna be staying in the back of the truck with the portal to Narnia mirror.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Brad, I go by the Whalen, and this is my vlog on Truck Venture. We are back in Scappoose, Oregon at Dawn's Trailer Rental, which we've been here before. This time we're getting a trailer to move some cars, because apparently I'm doing a lot of towing lately. Maybe I should start calling this the towing channel, the trailer channel. Anyway, we're gonna move some cars. So we'll get on that pretty soon. Let's get that trailer. And we are back and here to say goodbye to the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. We've had a number of fun builds on the truck here over the years, putting everything together. But unfortunately, due to some unforeseen circumstances, Nick has to move out of the shop. So we got a lot of his stuff into a storage unit, and we're going to be moving some cars today. So we're actually going to take a Land Rover to his parents' house, and two other cars are going to end up at my house, which I'm going to be storing for him for a while, because friends help friends, right? So we're going to get on that and then say goodbye to the shop. And in the meantime, if you're aware of a garage that in the Portland area that Nick could use, let us know in the comments below, because Nick might be looking for a new shop.
Well, one of the various things I have to do before we leave is I needed to swap doors on this BMW because the other door was missing a piece of glass, and as you can see behind you on the ground, it kind of got tagged up a little bit pretty badly. So this is a spare door out of a wrecked car, so change the door skins over, otherwise BMW is a BMW. So just put the last of the bolts in, so when we move this car, it can be locked up and secured out the building. Clearing
out of the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. That's all, folks.
As life goes.
One of Nick's random acquired relics. This is a 19th century mirror.
1850s, mid to late 1850s. This came out of a church in Buffalo, New York. This was in the rectory. Church was completed in the mid-1850s, like 1856, 1859. This is the original mirror. We believe it's the original glass.
And somehow it made its way to Oregon.
Yeah, a former antiquities dealer purchased it, and it was in my old home. The piece of foam is just holding the acorn in place, although it could be possibly a pineapple, depends on whose style you believe. I believe it's an acorn. But I'm going to have somebody take a look at it, give me a new appraisal on it. Unfortunately, it's been damaged in a few spots now that it's been here. But not bad for the original glass from the 1850s as far as we know. Perfect!
Mirror's in. Mirror on the truck.
I don't give a fish at home, folks. All right, kids. Welcome to the land of OSHA violations. I'm going to be staying in the back of the truck with the portal to Narnia mirror while we drive to the other building. Fortunately, we were driving all of maybe 100 feet on public road. It's just literally between two driveways. But again, don't try this at home. There's some detail of the gorgeous work that was done on this thing, which you don't get to see in the daylight very often, but look at that woodwork. Beautiful gold inlay. Like I said, this was made, as far as we know, probably around the time of the Civil War, or just before.
A new storage facility. Putting some of Nick's stuff in here from here on out.
Not bad for a 70-year-old car. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Goodbye, cool world.
Loading this disco onto this trailer, towing with that truck. All right, let the fun commence.
Hashtag Raptors can't tell. Y'all crazy if you think I'm pushing. Yep, that's exactly how we're looking at it. Put the straps down and wrap it up.
We are now watching Nick's 8th attempt to tie onto the bumper.
Marlin Spike sandwich here. Land Rover.
That's what I was trying to do in the first place. Didn't have enough strap. That'll be fine. I've got at least one bolt on each side. Gotta lift it far, just gotta lift it. Now folks, this is how you load a truck on a trailer.
The back door is swinging open wildly. No, it's not.
Okay, plenty of height. All right, now we need to go west about 2 feet. And I'll start pulling slowly and have you correct to bring it in. All right, money. There, now pull. Clear.
And now we're at Nick's parents' house, which is going to be the new home of the disco.
Off brake. Off brake. And now you're rolling. A little more. All right, off brake, off brake. And ready? Bam.
Captain Nicholas Bell of the USS Misfortune.
Are we gonna clear the trailer? A little more. A little more. 5 feet, Charlie, come on. There you go.
Now for a random unboxing. Acquired at a place that might rhyme with Barber Mate. These are going to be what helps us move this Opal that has not only flat tires in the back, but a jammed up wheel or axle situation. One loaded Opal. You know, we got it in here with the Raptor, and we are taking it out of here with the Raptor on the way out of here. In a slight change of plans, only the Triumph is gonna come to my house because now the Opal is going to Nick's parents' house because his mother decided she wants the Opal. And one of the best features of the Opal are the headlights, because everybody likes Opal headlights. And we have an Opal delivered to Nick's parents' house next to the Land Rover. Disco and Opal reunited once again. Now, we gotta go get that Triumph. Welcome back to another day of towing around cars for Nick. And today we have the third and final car, the Triumph. So originally, I was going to store this Triumph here at my house. Except when loading this Triumph, we realized it was a little bit more of a beast to push than we thought, and it has a tendency to get high-centered on this trailer. Plus, I have a little bit of a steep incline to my driveway. We'd have to push it up or pull it up somehow. And we don't want to do that. And Nick has found another location that's flatter that we can store the Triumph, and it's that direction. So I'm gonna jump in the Raptor, deliver the Triumph to Nick at the new location, and for the time being, my house is absolved from being a car storage facility. Behold, this Connex container is going to be the new home for the Triumph.
Yeah, you're straight. Okay. On the ramps.
Turn the wheel this way a little bit. Whoa, that's good.
Yeah, we got to keep a little momentum because it will catch up nice.
Ready, set, go.
And down the goes, Travis. And off the ramps.
One Triumph delivered to container. All right, now we got to take this trailer back. And that is it. We are finally done here with the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. We had a great run in this place. We did a lot of different builds to the Raptor, but all good things come to an end. So goodbye to the Emporium and on to new adventures. We are back at Nick's Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. Welcome back to the vlog, campers. We are here at the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. And we are back in the Emporium Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. The Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things. And we are here at the happiest place on earth to do it. You guessed it, the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things with Mr. Nicholas. And today we are here at the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things yet again. And here we are at the Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things once again to finish the job. Shiny!
Skinner. Let go my ego. There will be egos.
Really hardcore. I believe this is grade 10 hardware it looks like. So this stuff's beefcake. You do need to cut a couple of pretty big holes to get your hoses through. I cut mine slightly large.
Unfortunately, my mechanic never learned how to read. At least it has pictures.
Say that there were a bunch of clips at the top. In this case, there were bolts. And then there are two bolts that go through sideways. Wow. Ford likes Loctite. I'm just gonna say that.
This may very well be 3 years worth of dirt.
First corner going together. Having to loosen everything back up again sucks.
And in true to form, I'm just hanging out here with a camera and Nick is building everything. This is me being useful, holding this in place. And when in doubt, you let Nick fabricate. Okay, we can get that bolt. Forceps?
Doctor?
Actual forceps. It is now Nick feeding time. He survives on hamburgers and bad decisions.
Mostly.